Okay, determine the inverse of the function defined by y equals 5x minus 6. So we start with y equals 5x minus 6. The drill is always the same when you're finding an inverse, and it's just a couple of steps. Step 1, exchange x and y. Everywhere the expression used to contain a y, write an x instead. Everywhere the original contained an x, put a y instead. Now, technically, the moment you do that, you have the inverse. It's just, this is in a lousy form that would be difficult to graph or work with. We normally expect our functions to read y equals blah, blah, blah. So people will frown at you if you give them an inverse in this form. We want to change this now so it reads y equals something. So to solve this for y, I'm going to take this 6 over to the other side. So we get 5y equals x, and now it's plus 6. And finally, I'm going to divide everything by 5. So you can write that x plus 6 over 5 if you're a messy mathematician, or if you know what's up and you want to give expressions in a form that's easy for people to work with, you can divide everything by 5 and give them this, which I think is better. This is better because if you're going to graph it, it's in slope-intercept form. You can instantly see this as a y-intercept of 6/5 and a slope of 1/5. This one, not so much. So this is okay, in my humble opinion. This is better. So finding an inverse, swap x and y. That's technically all you have to do. And then solve the result for y to make it easier to work with.